Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your convertible top on a Mustang. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a T30 Torx bit and a small flathead screwdriver. Safety is key, so park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Then, lower your convertible top about halfway. This position gives you the best access to the various adjustment points we'll be working with. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Now, let's find those crucial adjustment points. Look at the front latch strikers on both sides of your windshield frame. You'll see two main adjustment screws near each striker mechanism. These are what we'll be working with. Grab your T30 Torx bit and carefully loosen these screws. Remember, just loosen them enough so the striker can move, don't take them out completely. This allows for small, precise adjustments. With the screws loosened, you can now make your adjustments. Gently move the striker plate either up or down, or even slightly side to side to achieve a snug fit. It's best to adjust one side at a time. Make a small change, then try to latch the top to see the effect. The goal is for the top to latch securely without needing excessive force and without leaving any noticeable gaps. Patience here leads to the best results. After you've achieved that perfect fit, it's time to secure everything. Firmly tighten all the screws you loosen to ensure the striker plates are locked into their new positions. Don't over-tighten, but make sure they are snug. For long-term care, regularly clean and lubricate your convertible top's moving parts. This helps prevent wear and keeps it operating smoothly. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.